All right, so we are back at it again. If you traded in Q today, I feel sorry. It was a typical CPI price action. So, usually after the CPI gets released, I usually mark my data high, data low. The price usually comes and take out the data high and then goes and take out the data low. But as you can see on the hourly, the price action wasn't that good. And this was today's result. It was at 24.44. We took a quick scalp on the Asia Open today. Didn't work out. I'll go over the trade with you guys. So yeah, let's go break it down. So this morning price action. So I had these levels marked out. I was like, okay, we probably gonna go sweep this low. We came and sweep this low. So I was waiting for the price to inverse this gap. The price inversed the gap. We got in on this one. The stops were here. Take profit was right here. So the price started going up as soon as it passed our halfway through point. I put it at the break even, and it was about to take profit. I was like, oh, this is gonna take profit. Psych. The next minute it just dumped and took us at break even. So that was the first trade, and let me see. And then this was the data low, 830. Yep. So usually the price action is very obvious. So if you don't take out a certain data high, we usually go down and take out the data low. And then if we inverse the gap, then I usually get to the data high. And guess what I did? Cleanly came in. So I just got in right here after we inverse the gap. The stop was right here, take profit was right here. Of course, the moment we inverse the gap after taking the low, the price just went the other way. But this was a A plus plus setup. Like if I see this setup over and over again, I will take it over and over again. It's just the price action is not gonna work out the same way you want it to work out every day. The good thing is though, we took this trade on an account that was already on a drawdown. It was a evaluation account, so I didn't care about that account. And then the rest of the day, we took out some random low. Yeah, we took out this low. This was definitely a day for total soup setup. We took out this setup, inverse this gap, and start going up. A lot of people got breaked even or lost money on this candle, of course. And guess what? It again failed to take that high and then start chopping down, going the other way. And then the market open. I had my POI here. We came close below it, close above it again. Got in. Stop loss goes there. I was aiming for a quick, like a 80 tick point. I just wanted to add to my consistency. Not consistency, it's like 150 minimum. I was like, you know what? I'm already above my threshold for the day. I'm just gonna take a quick $200-300 trade so I can just have it there as a 150 per day because that's a minimum on lucid trading. And guess what? That one didn't work out either. So we just came and took us out. And then when it closed above it, closed below it, we inversed the GIS gap. Once I saw the price action was extremely ugly, I just stayed away from it. Which I could have gotten in here, but when you see a price action that bad, you usually want to stay away from it. So that's what I did. And the gold trade we took today. And then after that messy price action on NQ, I switched it back to the funded account. And this was the banger that gave us that huge win. So on the 15 minute, saw the price very cleanly making a lower lows and the lower highs. So around here, I marked my level for here. Then price came above it. Just get rid of that. Yeah. So yeah, the price came above it. Took out this internal liquidity, closed below it. And then I waited for extra confirmation to close below this low. Once we did, I got in. I had my stops for somewhere around here above the POI. I think I had it here originally. I had it there originally. I was aiming for a 1 hour and 2 hour. And that was my break even. And these were my targets. So my first target was here. My second target was here, which as you can see, all targets was hit. But I was in this trade for almost an hour. That's why I was just happy to take profit in here, which is a. And then after we made this new high. I just put my stop loss right here. That's why you saw my stop loss over there. Yeah, it's just dilly-dally here for almost an hour and then you start flushing down. If I had this one all over here, it would have been a 2,400 plus 9. It would have been $3,500 a day. But I was happy with that base 2R anyway. But when you see this price action like this, it's very obvious that we're going to go hit that liquidity. It's clean price action. So that's why I took that one over there. And that's pretty much it for the day. Oh, and silver. Silver's price action was very clean too. Good price action. And then the Asia Open was perfect price action. I couldn't capture any of it. I was locked in on NQ and NQ did not deliver. The reason why I wasn't looking at the silver is micro silver is because TradeAway released today 2 days ago, and none of your trades was going through with silver, and I just noticed that on Asia session they fixed it. I was like, man, should have taken the Asia Open silver, like clean. Like if you go to 1 minute, you can see it's very clean price action. So just do this, price come here and continue. Like come here, close above, close below, continue here, continue here, continue, and here, continue is just, this is perfect. And it moves insanely high. Look how much it moved since Asia Open. If I can see it. It moved 800 ticks. That's insane. On one contract, that's like 4 grand. Just on Asia Open. Yeah, the price action was insane. Before I go, I was thinking that I'm opening a private, not private, like kind of private, one-on-one mentorship. If you are interested, or if you feel like you need help going over everything, you need somebody one-on-one that holds you accountable, go over your trades. There's a link in the description. It's a waiting list. It's a Telegram that I share my trades and I go over everything. It's also a wait list if you decide to get in it. We're gonna take like very small amount of people, maybe 5 to 10 people that really need it. So if you're in that category, you feel like you really need it, you can join that wait list. And if you need further help, you look for a community. Come join the community. Same thing. Link is in the description. We'll see you in there. That's it for tonight. Peace. See you guys in the tomorrow's recap.